survive this 5 minutes?
First exercise.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you.
10 seconds left.
'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way.
Next exercise.
Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. The summer's calling.
10 seconds left. Rest.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together.
Next exercise.
This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise. Halfway there. Ten seconds left. Rest.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste.
Next exercise.
Let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head. I'm sorry for what I did. Wish I could have it unsaid. Just make it right instead of treating me like I'm dead. Is it too late to confront it?
Ten seconds left. Last exercise.
I let go of your name. Yeah, I thought I could quit.
Right.
10 seconds left. Workout complete. You have earned my respect for now.